when someone sneezes and how to respond to it. Sneezing is a natural thing that is caused by either an illness or an allergy or for any other reason that a person smelled something or something that caused him to sneeze. And Allah Azza wa Jal loves sneezing. And this is a hadith. And scholars said, why would Allah Azza wa Jal love sneezing? Scholars say, because sneezing is an act that is followed by a lot of worship. And what do you mean by that? When a person sneezes, it is highly recommended and sunnah for him to say, Alhamdulillah. Even if he's praying. So even if I'm praying in congregation and I sneeze and I say, Alhamdulillah. I don't have to audibly say it so everybody hears it, but saying it by itself is okay. Now, each and every individual that is not during prayer, other than prayer, anyone, any Muslim who hears a Muslim sneezes and says, Alhamdulillah, every Muslim is obliged to say, Yarhamukumullah. This is known as tashmeet in Arabic. To say to a person who sneezed and praised Allah, Yarhamukumullah. If a person sneezed and did not say Alhamdulillah, it is not permissible for you to say Yarhamukumullah. This is only a response to someone who sneezed and followed that by saying Alhamdulillah audibly. And once I say to him Yarhamukumullah, the person who sneezed must reply by saying Yahdikumullah wa yuslihu balakum. This is the sunnah, and this is why Allah loves sneezing, because first it relieves you from the tension that you had. It's good for your body. Secondly, because of this exchange of praising Allah and remembering Him. And Allah Azza wa Jalla knows best. We have a short break. Stay tuned, and inshallah